Can you connect authentically and thrive? Hey, Radiant Leaders! Ever worry about social awkwardness holding you back? It's common, but here's a question. Can you connect authentically and thrive? Authentic connections fuel fulfilling careers. Don't let fear of judgment hinder your relationships. Ready to build meaningful connections? Here's how to start. Be curious, not judgmental. Ask questions and actively listen to understand others. Share your true self, flaws, and all. Authenticity fosters trust and connection. Focus on giving, not just taking. Offer your support and expertise to build genuine relationships. Remember, leading with authenticity inspires and empowers your team. Shine brightly! Joke, joke, joke! Ano sa English ang maliit na nunal? Eddie, small.